And as we noted earlier, the future of payments is essential to our overall success. As we unpack this notion, we have to begin by broadening our view of payments to understand how all this fits together. First of all, when we talk about payments, we're talking about more than just cards, aren't we? So we must shift our thinking beyond them. In today's payments landscape, cards are being outmoded, and that's because a card really should be considered just a component of the customer. In fact, modern payment programs are actually being built around consumers, not the card, putting the customer at the center of the commerce experience. And as you might expect, that commerce experience is an integrated component of the customer experience. So it's incumbent upon us to rethink our approach and our understanding of payments. And here's why I say that. Again, according to a report we mentioned earlier, more than 43% believe payments will be disrupted by non-traditional players this year. And that's probably not all that surprising to us, because each of us here today knows that payments is already a battleground for customer acquisition and profitability. That's why we as an industry, as community bankers, must rethink the payment strategy and how we are integrating payments into the customer experience, because as we develop that strategy, we must realize one key point. We can't reach consumers where we want them to be. We must reach them where they are. And luckily, technology has leveled the playing field for all of us to make that possible. Today there's no payment service offered by larger banks that we can't offer as well. We have an incredible options when it comes to P2P, options that for CSI customers are integrated directly into our other platforms. We also have to consider new technologies like contactless cards that are accelerating the payments experience for customers. We have to put customers, not cards, at the center of our payment strategy. Consumers' expectations for faster and more secure payments is only increasing, and this is an expectation we have to be ready to meet. In fact, according to Javelin Research, approximately 60% of consumers are not willing to pay for faster payments. They think of them as a standard service. And that's why our payment services teams continues to modernize the experience you can achieve through CSI. And since our payments programs are integrated directly into the core and our digital programs, that gives you this unique ability to leverage all three collectively to deliver this cohesive customer experience that includes robust opportunities. So while you're here, take the time to learn about our payment strategy and find ways that you can modernize your payments program to drive profitability and help you determine the best strategy for your institution. And as you consider that strategy, remember that it should fit within the context of this overall customer experience. But even as we strive to create a seamless, integrated experience through digital solutions and payment programs, there's still one part of the story, the main antagonist, if you will, that must always be accounted for, and that's threats.